Hello, welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to edit videos using text with Pictory AI. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. To begin, open Pictory AI. You can access it easily by clicking the link provided in the description below. Once you have Pictory AI open, select the Edit Video Using Text tool and then click the Proceed button. You'll notice there are two ways to upload your video. You can either paste a YouTube link at the top or click the Upload button to choose a video from your computer. After selecting your video, click Proceed. Now, Pictory AI will transcribe your video and automatically add subtitle captions for you. This process may take a moment, so be patient. Now that your transcription is ready, let's begin editing. On the left side of the screen, you'll see your video transcription, along with editing controls in the top toolbar. Pictory AI automatically detects speaker for you, but you can also add names to help organize your editing. Read through your transcript quickly to correct any errors. Simply right-click the text you want to edit, and a pop-up menu will appear. Choose the Edit Text option and make the necessary changes. When you delete words or sentences from your transcript, they are automatically deleted from your video. Notice those pesky ums and uhs in your transcript? With Pictory AI, you can easily remove filter words from your entire video by just clicking this button to activate it. Pictory AI highlights silence in your transcript with small squares. You can remove long pauses and silences from your video by clicking this button to activate it and setting them more than 2 into 1 and then clicking OK. To make your editing experience even more convenient, you have access to handy features such as undo, redo, and search tools. They can help you find key moments in your video. On the right side, you will find the preview area. After making your edits, you can instantly play back your video to preview the changes. You can toggle the subtitles for your video on and off by simply clicking this button. If you want to give your video a professional touch, you can choose from various templates in the templates library. Once you finish editing your video, you can download it by clicking the Download Video button located in the top right corner of your screen. And that's it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to edit videos using text with Pictory AI. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our future videos.